In the Word document, you can give different kind of page number in the same document. For this, first step, break the pages into two sections. In each section, you can give different kind of page numbers. For section 1, first select the page style. Now format it into your desired style. Now here you can select different kind of page numbers. I will select a Roman style. Now this style has been selected only for section 1. Now for section 2. Here we will start the page number from 1 instead of 3. Start at 1. OK. You can see over there for the section 1, we have selected a Roman style. Now for section 2, we have selected numeric style. Thanks for watching.